Hi, welcome to Ask a Bass. If you are just joining us, do it to subscribe and to click on the like button. So today I'm going to be showing you a simple exercise, daily exercise you can do to improve your speed on the bass guitar. This exercise has a unique way of making your hands used to the fret and also helps in the striking as a picking of the bass, the strings. Playing on the key of D, let's look for where we can find D on the third strings. This is the third strings. Remember in the previous lessons I told us how we're going to locate the key on the bass guitar on each of the strings. So the opening notes of the third strings is A. Then here we have the A sharp, A sharp, we have B, we have C sharp, and then D. So this is our D. So the surface in what I played is do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re, do. For the sake of those who are still struggling to know the position of the surface, the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, I'm going to be using just this one finger to show you the surface of what I played. Then later I will switch to using my 4 fingers. Alright, so this is it. Do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re, do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re. I'll go back to using my 4 fingers, taking it slowly. Do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re, do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re, do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re. Let's increase the speed. Do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re, do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re. Let's increase the speed a little bit again. Do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re, do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re, do, sol, la, sol, mi, sol, do, mi, sol, fa, do, re, do, la, do, sol, ti, re. Do this exercise daily, and with the space of time you see yourself doing wonders on the strings. So thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video.